Hey boys and girls, I hope you guys are having an awesome day so far. So today, Wednesday, our assignment is going to be doing our healthy smoothie for today. So we gave you guys options. We told you guys so you guys can have a strawberry smoothie, a banana, or you guys can do both, okay? Today, Coach Ramirez is going to do both, okay? So you're going to need a blender, okay? When you guys use this, make sure your parents are around to help you guys, okay? You guys are going to need some ice. You guys are going to need a knife, milk, and of course, strawberries and bananas, okay? In this case, like I said, Coach Ramirez is going to do both, bananas and strawberries, okay? So, what we're going to do right now, we are going to cut our strawberries, okay? My strawberries are pretty big, so we're going to use about 8 to 10 strawberries. Coach Ramirez is going to use 8 strawberries, okay? And we're going to cut the green part because I'm more sure you guys don't eat the green part at home. I know I don't, okay? All right, let's see. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you guys don't eat them in the process. 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, when you guys put your strawberries in the blender, make sure you guys wash them, okay? It's very important you guys wash them. You don't want to go to the store, buy strawberries, and then put them in the blender. Make sure you guys wash your fruit and your hands. I washed my hands before starting the video, okay? So I have my strawberries in. I'm going to use 1 banana, okay? Peel 1, put it in here. Oops. All right. Again, we're making a healthy milkshake, okay? 1 in here. And if you guys are following us on the Google Classroom, we told you guys to get low-fat milk. With the blue cap, usually is low-fat, 1% milk, but I don't have low-fat milk, so this whole milk would do, okay? But if you guys want to make it healthier, you guys use low-fat milk, okay? And with milk, we're going to use 1 cup, okay? So niños, lo voy a decir en español. Lo que vamos a hacer un licuado hoy, okay? Coach Ramirez va a hacer un licuado de strawberries y de plátanos, okay? Es un licuado de los dos. Vas a ocupar a las strawberries, vas a ocupar 8 fresas y le vas a quitar lo de arriba, ok, lo verde se lo vas a quitar y vas a ocupar un plátano y se lo vamos a poner aquí. Es muy importante que te laves las manos y también laves las frutas. El plátano no, porque el plátano tiene su cascarita, eso está bien. Nomás las fresas las vas a lavar y tus manos, ok. 8 fresas y un plátano. Y vamos a poner una copita de leche. Now we're going to use 1 cup of milk, okay. 1 cup of milk. Toss it in there. Alright. And now lastly, we're going to put our ice. Vamos a poner nuestro hielo, okay? Este vaso está lleno de hielo. Está lleno de hielo. It's full of ice. We're going to use half of it, nomás. We're only going to use half of it, okay? Nomás la mitad. Vamos a poner poquito hielo. No mucho, okay? We don't want to put a lot because then it's going to be very, very hard to drink if we have a straw, okay? Alright, move things to the side. And then make sure you guys put the top, the lid. Okay, quieren poner la tapita porque si la prenden, todo va a salir. Okay, if you guys don't put the lid on it, everything's gonna go back up. Okay? Alright. Now, you guys ready? Remember, when you guys are using the blender, make sure your parents are around to help you guys out. Cuando van a usar la licuadora, es muy importante que sus papás estén alrededor para que les ayude. Okay? Alright. And we're going to blend it maybe about 8 to 10 seconds, and then we're going to open it to see if it's ready or not, okay? All right, let's see. Start it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you're going to stop at 10 seconds, and then you're going to open it. And you're going to see, if you guys still see chunks of fruit or ice, it's not ready. Si lo abren y ven que hay fruta o plátanos o hielo que todavía están alrededor así, todavía no está listo. Okay, so we're going to continue. Vamos a seguir. seconds. Okay, now we're going to stop. Vamos a abrir la tapita otra vez. We're going to open the lid again, and we're going to see if we still see chunks of strawberries or ice, and if you guys can get that. All right, so we see that it's nice and liquidy. We don't have a lot of chunks of strawberries or bananas, and we can easily drink it. So now it's ready. All right, guys, so now that we already checked the milkshake and we said it's good to go, you guys get a clean cup. And this is how you guys make a healthy and cooling milkshake. Okay, you guys enjoy it.